was rather hoping to get the valve repaired for Jodie B, which I've got some advice from the club and I know what to do now. I've ordered a 2-inch BSP taper button die, which will fit around the pipe and hopefully open the threads up a bit or extend the threads. It hasn't arrived yet, so I finished today making these. At least these battery pods are now on. I've also got the parts for the drill are on order because I broke the drill press. So they're on order. They're coming from France though, so we'll see if they actually arrive. Right, I'm just trying to get these, the second pod lined up in relation to the first one, which is a little bit more difficult because I haven't got the reference point off the tabs. I cut the grass outside. It's making a right bracket. So, using this plumb line as a reference point from the centre, I think I've got to go, this pod's got to go that way about 10 centimetres. It's really difficult to see from here. Maybe it's, yeah, it's definitely got to move. Right, spent a lot of time, spent 2 hours getting this ready into position, just being really careful. And that sounds like a long time, but really got to get this right. And I've measured from the plumb bob to the centres, and I'm pretty confident now that it's in the right place. Done that at both ends, and so this one's ready to go on. So I need to make some tabs for it. But what I have noticed, one little thing, this one, you can see the distances between the floor there. I don't know what that is, about 4 or 5 millimetre. And then on this one, it's quite a bit more. So I'm going to have to lower this one down a little tickle. Glad I noticed that, because that's the sort of thing I might not have noticed. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the wheels off. And I think if I drop that down, if I take the wheel off, it'll drop it down just enough for it to be the same as the other one. And then I know they're all both in exactly the same place. Just quickly do that. I think that's it. And then I'm going to do, well, this is the sort of last thing, the eyeball test, where I just does it look right? That's the thing. I know that's very, very non-scientific, but I think, there we go, it's there, yeah. Standing right in the middle. There's something slightly odd here. Now this is in the right place, I'm happy with that, but if I weld straight up from my centre mark there, that's actually going to not contact this metal plate that's been welded on. So I've got two options. I don't know why that is. I don't know whether the original was at a different angle, whether the original pod was in a different place, but this is where I'm going to put it. And so two options are either I weld it straight or I just weld it at an angle. I'm going to weld it at an angle. So I'm going to measure to there, and that is going to be 245 millimetre. See how quick we can get through 15 mil. Prepped everything up, beveled it and everything ready for welding. I really don't like the way that one is going to be at an angle, but this doesn't look symmetrical. But the pod is in the right place. I'm not going to stress about it. that's okay, apart from those two little noggins there, which is a little bit annoying. Just tiny little bit. I just missed it on the weave, but it'll be okay. I'm not doing it again. I think we've made some progress. So Skadoc's got some battery pods on at last. I've still got the secondary tabs to weld on for the pods, but they're I think it would actually stand on its own feet now. Well, it would for sure. So I think we're getting there, but I've got to go now and go to the boat and run the engine last time before I put her in the water, because I want to get ready for diving in the next couple of weeks.